YouTube, if this is the first time, so I'm Ashley with Keller Williams up in Everett. If this is your first time to my channel, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for like the latest information on real estate and such. So some really exciting things have happened, okay? So I've been wanting to do a Rambler Reno update, but nothing has been happening, okay? So, you know, just some backstory. Hillary and I bought a little Rambler up in North Everett, and we had the intention of fixing it up. And as you can see behind me, there are some open walls. They've been open now for more than a month, like almost 2 months now. And basically, the sort of short story is that what we wanted to do is we wanted to do an update in the laundry room. And look, I can walk you back there. Here, let me turn on some lights. So we have this laundry space here, and we also have this, let's get in here. Let me get a light on. Oh my gosh, hopefully there's no spiders. We have this space here that's like, sort of like an unfinished space, and it's connected out towards the garage. And what we want to do is in here, we want to add like a half bathroom. And then back behind me, we want to renovate that laundry space. And in order to do that, we need to, or would like to, raise the floor here to the same level as the main part of the house, okay? And so we basically needed to get a building permit to do that here in Everett. And, you know, we didn't know that because this is our first time doing this. And it turns out that the building permit process is complex, okay? And, you know, it took us a while to get that permit submitted. And then when we submitted it, they told us it was going to be like 10 weeks to get the permit approved. Okay, like 10 weeks. So basically our whole entire job was on hold for 10 weeks. We had like literally gotten like all the subcontractors ready. We had the electrician, the plumber, our actual contractor that's going to do the building. We had everybody ready to go. HVAC, everyone was here, okay? And then we had to be like, okay, look, we can't do it. Okay? So I opened my email today. Actually, okay, so I'm gonna even back up a little bit. I was actually out having coffee with a colleague, and I was like, yeah, man, you know, we're doing this renovation, and they told us it's gonna be 10 weeks to get the permit. I was like, man, we're probably not even gonna start the work till like March or something. I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy, okay? And I got home, and like at about 2 o'clock, I checked my email, and you know what? Our permit's approved! Woohoo! So that means that on with the work. So we're really excited. I'm excited to really like video document this for you guys so you can see the pictures and the progress. I mean, the transformation is going to be incredible. I think we've picked a lot of the materials already. So this is going to be laundry area. Then, you know, of course, we're going to need to move in, and we'll probably, well, I don't think we need to get a separate permit for the kitchen because I think we put it in on this one. But then we're going to also do some work in the kitchen. We're going to like, you know, get new cabinets, new countertops, update the flooring and all that stuff, and this is going to be like a brand new place. So I'm really excited. I thought that I would you know, shoot a quick video and let you know that that's what is going on. And yeah, it's just awesome. So if you have any questions, leave comments down below. Other than that, that's really all I have for this particular video. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Facebook. I mean, that is the place to be, on Facebook. Follow me there. And check out my website, ashleybolden.com, and I will see you again soon, YouTube.